Best deals. This multipurpose bedside table doubles as a shelf organizer, offering ample storage space for your daily essentials. Its sleek design complements any bedroom decor, constructed with heavy-duty fabric, providing a strong and durable bedside buddy for all your needs. A must-have bedroom organizer items. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Bed hanging basket. Rack for bedroom essentials offers easy access, making it a must-have for any bedside table or bunk bed setup. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Laundry basket. Equipped with sturdy handles, easily transport your laundry from room to room with comfort and ease. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Closet organizer. The stackable organizer system fits neatly into your suitcase to keep your clothes from bunching and wrinkling. You make a great document organizer, file organizer, coupon organizer, bill organizer and more. Distribute and stack backup anytime. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Shelf divider. Made from high-quality, powder-coated metal, these dividers are built to last, providing a sturdy and reliable partition. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Strips interlocking. Consist of individual strips which can be assembled in any required order with its interlocking design. Perfect for storing any type of garments like underwear, bra, socks, tie, etc. in your drawers too. Easy to assemble them, and tada! Your belongings are organized in this DIY drawer divider. The length of the spacer assembly can be adjusted according to the required size by cutting down it just by scissors. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Socks organizer. Easy to put down cell phone chargers, underwear, bras, socks and other items. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Storage drawer. Clear plastic construction allows easy visibility of contents, helping you locate items quickly without opening drawers. Pull-out drawers feature an easy grip handle and smooth gliding mechanism for convenient access to stored items. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Hanger. Is designed with U-shaped hooks without sharp edges that will not damage your clothes. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Rotating hook. Beautifully crafted using high-grade acrylic with an extra-wide smooth and sleek handle will safeguard each handbag. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Shoe storage boxes. Provides a great storage and style for your different types of shoes which keep them clean and new in closed yet ventilated box. For any shoe type of shoe management, women's shoes, men's shoes, high heels, slippers, sneakers. Interlocking design connects each box together to stabilize the stacking of shoe racks. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Organizer dividers. The closet organizer is perfect for organizing your socks, lingerie, underwear when you finish laundry and easy to access them while you need it. Made of durable Oxford fabric and delicate stitchings, the storage organizers resists to dust, moisture and tear. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Storage box. Perfect for store any underwear, socks, gloves, handkerchiefs, masks. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Hanger. Tie organizer adopts a U-shaped hook design, without sharp edges, which will not damage your clothes, making the vest or bra firmly fixed on the belt rack without wrinkles. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Purse organizer. Ideal for keeping your handbag neat and tidy, also allowing easy switching between bags. Can be used as a handbag organizer for wardrobe, designed to maximize storage space. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Over-door hanger. Made by carbon steel, which is sturdy and on a light weight. There are all-rounded corners without burrs to avoid scratching your clothing. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Clothes drying rack. Its trifold design gives the foldable clothes drying hanger a space-saving feature that swings 180 degrees from side to side. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Hanger hooks. Transparent wall hanger hook design makes it almost invisible with your nice decoration wall hooks without drilling. It is especially great for hook for wall hanging. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Drawer organizer. These adjustable drawer organizer can be installed in any drawers of your house or office. You can install the separator in kitchen drawer for cutlery tray, tableware, knife, for cosmetics on the dressing table. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Wall hooks. Adhesive wall hooks are widely used on a variety of smooth surfaces. Widely used in kitchens, living rooms, bedrooms, bathrooms, closets, decorations, etc., including ceiling hooks, coat hooks, key hooks, plant hooks, bathtub towel hooks, picture hooks. It is also ideal for lights and wreaths, fireplace stockings, and so on. No need to nail or drill holes in the wall, just peel off the film on the back and stick it to the wall. No need to damage the installation. To remove it, heat the PVC piece of the hook with a hair dryer and slowly remove it from the wall without leaving any scratches or marks. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Stacker organizer. Adjust the closet shelves to your liking, stack them to suit your space and maximize the use of vertical space. It is also collapsible, you can fold it flat to save space when not in use. The track between the two layers enables you to pull out racks smoothly. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Laundry bag. The collapsible design of the laundry basket for clothes with lid makes it easy to set up in minutes and store compactly when not in use. Perfect for homes, dorm rooms in universities, camping, apartments. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Wardrobe organizer. The unique design makes it very easy to assemble. Without the need for tools, one person can easily and quickly assemble it. You only need a flat screwdriver to easily disassemble. It can be stacked layer by layer, further saving space and making the overall appearance more concise and orderly. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Drawer organizers. The simple and compact space-saving design fits almost any drawer, wardrobe or cabinet. It's suitable for women, men, kids and baby, great for your underwear, bras, socks, masks, neckties. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Plastic storage basket. It keeps items organized and tidy. High-quality finished basket that can serve as a storage container. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Laundry baskets. The top edges of the laundry hampers are sewn with rigid iron wire rims. When you stretch out the laundry basket, it will stand on its own. Even the hamper is empty, it also can keep upright for a long time. Product link is given in the 25th link.